every single day. I'm gonna make something.
Hey beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make your own drawstring ponytail right at home. Yeah, and it's super easy. So starting off, you need a drawstring mesh, which I got from an online shop. You can get it on AliExpress also, and a black thread, a needle, of course. I'm not having C-pins, but you can use them if you have, and a mannequin head, and of course hair extensions. These are 4 bundles. I ended up using 3.5. Yeah, so starting off, you need to secure the drawstring mesh on the mannequin head. So I'm using safety pins. Yeah, I'm improvising. I'm not having T-pins, so I'll be using these safety pins to secure it in place. And make sure it's flat and very secured. So yeah, now our mesh is very secured, so we can start sewing. So this is the first bundle that I'll be using. So starting off, you need to pass the needle through the wefts for the beginning. Yeah, pass it through the wefts, and make sure you double the wig, and yeah. So after you secure it in place, you can then pass the needle under the weft to make it a lot easier. And make sure you secure the ends very well. So now that the hair is secure in place, you can then continue sewing the remaining ones. So this is how basically you can do it. So I'll let you watch how I'll do it. So when I got to the end of the mesh, I didn't cut the hair extensions. I just folded it over because I didn't want to cut it in case I might need the hair for another thing. Yeah, so I didn't cut it. I just turned it over and so So here is what I was talking about. I didn't cut it at the end, I just folded it over. Yeah, and make sure you don't sew the string, else you will not be able to pull it when you are done. After cutting it, you tie it about 2 or 3 times to make sure the ends are secured, and don't cut the thread too close to the weft. So this is the second bundle of hair that I'll be using. So as you can see, our drawstring is in the process. Yeah, we are halfway through. cautious not to sew the string at the end of the mesh. Yeah. We are almost through sewing our drawstring ponytail. So here's the finished look, guys, and it turned out really nice. You can do this at home and it's super easy. Yeah, so here you have your drawstring ponytail. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys, and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.